There's no clock inside your rice cooker, no timer, not even a computer chip. So can you guess the secret that tells it the exact second to stop cooking? Every rice cooker runs on one simple fact of physics. Water boils at exactly 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and it can't get hotter than that as long as there's liquid water in the pot. But once every drop gets absorbed or boiled away, there's nothing left to hold that temperature down, and the pot suddenly starts heating up past boiling, fast. That's the exact moment the rice cooker's been waiting for. Inside the base sits a tiny magnet paired with a special metal disc. That disc is engineered to lose its magnetism the second it crosses a precise temperature, just a few degrees above boiling. When that happens, the magnet lets go, a spring snaps a switch, and you hear a click. Your rice cooker just switched itself from cook mode to warm mode. No timer, no sensor, no chip, just a magnet that knows exactly when to quit.